Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In my previous video I showed you how to connect your ET remote to your Centurion motor with a ET receiver. So just check my video below if you want to see that. Today I'm just going to show you how to connect a normal Centurion remote to your Centurion gate motor. So when your motor is open, your casing is open, you can click and hold the middle button for 2 seconds, and then you can scroll up once to remote control. You use the middle button to select, you say add remote, you can select your trigger, and time bar remote you can just select no, and then you need to press the button on your remote control. You'll hear your motor teats and it will say successful TXID num. So then you can press the round button to go back, and then you can press okay. So I just want to show you something as well. If you go to your settings again, press the middle button, hold it for 2 seconds, you go to your remote settings. You can delete the buttons on your remote if you need to. When you press the middle button for select, you can select it by ID, you can select it by the button. That's usually the easiest. So if you press the middle button again, then you need to press the button we just programmed. If you want to delete it, press it once, button delete it, and then if you head back, this button will not work anymore. Alright, so and if you go back to your settings, you can go to remote. When you add a remote, you can select a trigger. So this is every time you press the button on your remote, it triggers the motor to open or close. Then your next setting will be gate open. That's only to open your gate. So if you program this, your gate will only open and not close. I'll rather just leave that. And this one is a holiday lock, so if you go on holiday, you can cancel some remotes not to open the gate. And yeah, that's most of the settings just to program your Centurion remote to your Centurion gate motor. Thank you very much for watching, and hope you enjoyed my video. And please don't forget to like and subscribe.